If the front camera shows abnormal photo results, such as photos saved with a white background, front camera failing to focus, or the front camera freezing, you can use the 16 series front rear camera repair adapter together with the Repair FPC to fix it. The product demonstrated this time is the 16 Pro Max front camera repair FPC. If the original front camera is still available and its data can be read, you can repair the front camera using the code reading and unbinding method together with local data backup. If the original front camera is missing or its flex cable is damaged, the front camera must be repaired using the flashing and unbinding method. The method used in this demonstration is the local saving method with the original camera available. Before the repair, prepare the corresponding front camera repair flex cable. Any one of V1SE, V1S Plus, V1S Pro can be used. JCID 16 series front and rear camera repair adapter. This demonstration uses the soldering type flex cable. First, solder the repair flex cable onto the front camera module. Remove the metal shield by heating with a hot air gun. Then remove the damaged flex cable. Apply solder. Then solder the repair flex onto the correct contact points. After soldering, connect the phone to the programmer with a data cable. Place the original front camera onto the corresponding position of the adapter. Tap Next and find the Local Save option. Tap Local Save to save the data locally. After the data is successfully saved, remove it and place the front camera with the well-soldered Repair FPC onto the adapter. Then click Local Write to program the original data onto it. After writing successfully, install the dot matrix module back into the phone. After reassembly, a treated camera pop-up appeared. Simply restart the phone, and the depth camera pop-up will go on. Issues such as abnormal front camera photos, white background images, focus failure, or front camera freezing are now successfully repaired.